How is it going, guys? It is time for yet another new products video. It is April, my birthday's coming up. We're gonna be at the track this weekend. I'm excited, and you guys should be as well because there is a lot of JDM goodness this month. We've added 3 new full body kits for the GR86 and BRZ this month. Now these are not just your typical lip kits that you can pick up on eBay. They're actually from brands that I'd say are pretty reputable. We're gonna start off with the Tom's kit. They made a couple different products for the previous gen, most notably their tail lights. Well, this time around they have a full body kit for the GR86 that's comprised of 8 different components. We have their over fenders that slap onto your stock fenders and add 8 millimeters of clearance so you can run spacers or a wider wheel that's gonna be a lot more aggressive. Now most of their parts come finished with a gel coated primer so that you can get everything paint matched. The front nose is a cover that sits on the upper portion of your grille and extends the painted portion of your bumper down just a tiny bit. And then over on the sides, we have the bumper garnish that accentuates this vent area here and acts kind of like a dive plane kit, improving the aerodynamics of the car and increasing, well, slightly increasing the downforce in the front of the car. Of course, no kit would be complete without some sort of front lip. And then when we move to the sides, we have their side skirts available. Moving to the rear of the car, we've got the rear side fins and the rear diffuser that's made specifically for the stacked quad tip exhaust. And then up top, we have their trunk lip spoiler that's a little bit different of a shape than the OEM one that some people may prefer. The next kit we'll talk about is the HKS kit. They have one specifically for the GR86 and the BRZ. We saw the BRZ kit at SEMA and I instantly fell in love. It looks absolutely amazing and made me want to buy one of these cars for myself to start modifying. The front lip is gloss black with the carbon fiber winglets on the side. You also have the carbon fiber canards attached to the front bumper. These side skirts have a really unique look to them where they've got the carbon fiber covers for the vent area, and then they go all the way back and fill in that void in the rear section of the OEM side skirts. Moving to the back, we've got a 3-piece rear under spoiler, again with the carbon fiber accents on the sides. And then up top, we have another option for the duckbill spoiler or ducktail spoiler. Last but certainly not least, we have the Grete Voltex kit. Ever since I started modifying cars, I wanted a Voltex rear diffuser for my car. And now that they have one for the GR86, who knows, maybe I can make it happen. I really do love this kit because it's such a simple, sleek, and beautiful design that's not over the top. Of course, you got the front lip, the side skirts, the rear diffuser. You've got the rear wing that's either center or side mount. It's adjustable so you can dial in that downforce. And the kit's available in either carbon or FRP. And what amazes me is that not all these parts are just made to look good. They're actually functional as well. Grete actually took their GR86 out to the track with all the new stuff installed and they drove the piss out of it, and you gotta respect that. I think they actually crashed that car and then continued to drive it around the track. It was actually refreshing to see, not the crashing part, but all the testing and such that goes into it. Speaking of driving the piss out of your car, if you're looking for a dual purpose suspension system, HKS has their Hypermax S coilovers, one specifically for the GR86 and one for the BRZ. I actually installed a set on a coworker's WRX and I was pleasantly surprised by the ride quality and performance that you get from these coilovers. If you're looking for something for your daily driver that's comfortable, but you still want to take your car to the autocross or a track on the weekend, these are gonna be the perfect option for you. Under the hood, HKS also has their carbon fiber engine cover and fuse box cover that easily allows you to add some accents to that engine bay. While we've got the hood open, let's talk about a couple different options from Varus Engineering as far as the caps go, specifically the wash fluid and the oil cap. These are a nice anodized aluminum, available in either black, red, or blue. Just pop the old one off, like so, and this pops right into place. Obviously the oil cap you spin, or what is that? You screw into place, but you get the idea. These black caps look a whole lot better than the yellow plastic ones. If you're looking to stiffen up the chassis even further, you can get the TRD GR member brace set that has 9 different braces you can install to improve the handling and suspension response. They're powder coated in the iconic TRD red, and it's gonna help to make things a bit more rigid. And that's gonna do it, guys. Let me know which body kit you guys like best, whether it's the Tom's, HKS, or Grete. Comment down below. If you guys are interested in picking anything up, the links are all down in the description. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up as an early birthday present. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.